Welcome to my channel Divyas Math.
We will see factorization of few quadratic polynomials. So the first one is x square minus x minus 6. So this is your quadratic polynomial. How do we factorize this given polynomial? By splitting the middle term. Okay, by splitting the middle term, we will factorize it. So what is the first step? We need to multiply the constant term which is minus 6 and the coefficient of a x square, that is minus 6. Yes, the second step is find all the possible factors. So what are the factors for minus 6? That is 1 into minus 6, minus 1 into 6, 2 into minus 3 and minus 2 into 3. These are all the factors for minus 6. If you multiply these two factors, you need to get minus 6. And if you add these two factors, you need to get the middle term which is minus 1. So how do we do it? We'll take this combination. Now let us split the middle term, that is x square plus 2x minus 3x minus 6. From the first two terms, if you take x common, that will be x plus 2. And from the next two terms, if you take minus 3 common, that will be x plus 2. Yes, and x plus 2 and x plus 2 are common. So the factors are x plus 2 and x minus 3. So the next polynomial is 3x square plus 5x minus 2. What is the first step we have learned? We need to multiply the constant term and the coefficient of the x square, right, which is minus 6. The next step is you need to find all the possible factors for minus 6. That is 1 into minus 6, minus 1 into 6, 2 into minus 3 and minus 2 into 3. Okay. So if you multiply these two combination, okay, you need to get minus 6, and if you add them, you need to get plus 5, which is your middle term. If we take minus 1 and plus 6, right, minus 1 into 6 is minus 6, minus 1 plus 6 is plus 5. Okay, so we will take this combination. Now let us split the middle term. 3x square plus 6x minus x minus 2. So from the first two terms, if you take 3x common, x plus 2. Right, and from the next two terms, if you take minus 1 common, that will be x plus 2. So x plus 2 and x plus 2 are common. The remaining is 3x minus 1. Okay, so this is how you factorize it. So the next polynomial is 2x square plus 7x plus 3. How do we factorize? What is the first step? We need to multiply the constant and the coefficient of the x square. Now we need to find all the possible factors for 6, which is 1 into 6 and 2 into 3. The sign is plus, so I am not writing the minus signs, okay. Now let us split the middle term. If you multiply it, you need to get 6, and if you add them, you need to get 7, right. So I am taking this, okay. So 2x square plus 6x plus x plus 3. From the first two terms, if you take 2x common, that will be x plus 3. And from the next two terms, if you take plus 1 common, that will be x plus 3. So x plus 3 and x plus 3 are common, right? So the remaining is 2x plus 1. So this is how you factorize it. So the next polynomial is 8x square plus 6x minus 5. So what is the first step we will do? We will multiply the constant and the coefficient of x square, which is minus 40. The second step is we need to find all the possible factors for minus 40, which is 1 into minus 40, minus 1 into 40, 2 into minus 20, minus 2 into 20, 4, right? 4 into minus 10, minus 4 into 10, 5 into minus 8, minus 5 into 8. Okay. So if you multiply these two combinations, you need to get minus 40, and if you add them, you need to get the middle term as plus 6. So I am taking this combination. Yes. So let us split the middle term now. 8x square minus 4x plus 10x minus 5. So from the first two terms, if you take 4x common, that will be 2x minus 1, and from the next two terms, if you take plus 5 common, that will be 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 1 and 2x minus 1 are common, and the next is 4x plus 5. Okay, so these are the factors.
In our next video, we will discuss on the chapter polynomials.